My name is Glenn Snyder. There's lots of reasons why I'm happy I went with Screen Factory. Their delivery and price. Delivery was better than anybody else. The price was very competitive. And everything that I desired, they delivered. They made commitments and kept them. During the process, they provided all the documentation to the HOA, to the county. It just went smooth. When they say they're going to do something, they do it. Now, we love this Lanai. We get to sit in it, enjoy the evenings outside. If I ever do another one, I will use Screen Factory for sure. Thanks.